Hello, my tooting friends. I found out what the password is. 4763. I am so smart. Actually, I kind of looked on hints. Actually, I looked there. I'm ashamed. Well, let's go on the adventure. Ooh. I'll give you the key to the warehouse if you bring me what I want. My lovely baby, please bring my baby here. I've never seen a puppy in this house. It's good. Wait, what? A container of oil. Maybe, his puppy. Maybe, his puppy is, I'm stupid, I need hints. Please. Give me hints. Well, guys, that was quite terrifying. I got ads out of nowhere. Once again, I did not plan this. I did not plan anything. This is a pretty good house. I want the house with the, I want the big one. I want to live in a tree. Can I live in a tall one? Okay. Receive Julia's request. Who's Julia? Request. Get a hint from Chris. Look to the flower pot. Who the hell's Julia? Are you Julia? No. Definitely not. Are you? No, you're Steve something. Nope, you're not. Hello, Julia. Is that you? I witnessed the incident of that day from the start to finish. She played around as if it were a toy and got herself in big trouble. Then she buried it in a flower pot. I saw it. Let's look into the flower pot. Bark. I got a dead puppy. Maybe the puppy that Gerald was looking for is... Oh, the poor flower. I don't even want to think about it. That's actually really sad. Hello? It can't be what you're holding. My poor baby. Mommy is sorry. Wait, that's a girl? I'll never forgive her. Never. Thank you, Del. I'm sorry, my baby. I want to free you. I want to let you free. But who's her? Everyone here is guys. Maybe you're the one, but secretly acting like you aren't. Oh. I screwed up. I can't get out. Oh. Someone help. Oh no, I'm running out of dog food. Someone help. I can't stop. Oh no. Help. Burp. I feel like I'm going to burst. Well, I just ate all the dog food, so no more. Well, now I can heal my friend. What kind of medicine is this heavy? I think something else is here. In here. There are too many miscellaneous items. Look in there. I feel like my friend is lying to me. I feel sorry for the puppy though. Oh, I skipped what she said. I'm so sorry, my friend. Oh, come quickly. You came just in time. This is the last favor I want to ask of you. You do it for a cute dog like me, right? You're adorable, but when you eat I need oil. A highly flammable oil. Like petroleum. That's my last wish. It's almost finished now. For what is she go? Nope. Man. Seems like you've become closer to Tommy. Yep. Tommy is my girl. So you better not mess around with her. I'm planning to propose to her shortly. Can I be the bridesmaid? Of course, I would need a present to give her. Say $1,000 would be enough to capture her heart. I need you to do me a favor as well. You're just a dog, and you're planning a proposal. Whoa, yes, good work, Mutt. I'm not a mutt, I'm a puppy. I feel sorry for the puppy now. The puppy. This is a reward. Intended for a butt. Oh, God. This isn't gonna end well. She's gonna end up killing everyone, isn't it? Hello? I really don't care. I'm not hungry. I literally ate all the food. Oil? Does oil come from here? She bit into the neck and shook it several times, and after confirming it's dead, she smiled and mumbled, I'm going to eat all the dog food. It's all mine. Someone else will die before long. Someone else will die? Who's next? I don't want to die. It's alright. I will protect you. You are dead to me, friend! La la la. Your girlfriend's crazy. The thought of proposing makes me nervous. Oh, that's cute. That's actually really cute. One more jump and I'll die from me. Excuse me, help me out. I just want to stop jumping, but my body. But it's not listening. If I go on like this, I'm going to die. Oh, big gosh. Please stop me. I'll help. I'm not rude. Phew, thanks. You saved my life. I should look for another way to become human. Yeah, I guess. Where can I get oil from? I still don't trust that dog. I don't trust her at all. It's Tommy. He made my child like this. There was Tommy's fur at the scene of the accident. Woof woof on the neck. Painful must have been. I have to get out of here quickly. Get back at Tommy. Woof woof must be woof woof Tommy. What? I don't understand. I should eat some more dog food. Oh, that took me a while. Tommy, you're evil. I don't like you. I thought we were best friends. No! Tommy, are you serious? Tommy, you don't get any food. You jerk. No! You literally murdered a puppy. Planning on to set us all on fire. I'm not planning on helping you. I don't feel like helping Tommy now. I thought we're friends. Tommy, you made my child like this. Deep marks on the neck. How painful it must have been. I have to get out of here and quickly get back to Tommy. Jail key must be somewhere around Tommy. Please, I beg you, please secretly bring the key to me. I want to do all that I can do to help her. Hey. La 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 la. I fought on you. Hey. You know what? I'm gonna get some help from you. Who's next? I don't want to die. Can I just like find a way? Has to be a way, right? She wants oil. I don't have any way, but I can do this. Oh god, it's not gonna end well. I don't trust her. I mean, him, her, Tommy. I don't trust them. What are you so late? Why are you so late? Thanks anyway. Woof woof. So much for your help. thank you so much for your help. A little something too. You got the key? I have a good plan. First, you know, I don't want to be part of Tommy's little suicide group. Tommy's evil. Yeah, Tommy, I know what you're planning. I don't like you. You killed a poor baby! And that's what made me very mad. So... I don't trust her. I don't trust her. It's me from prison, and then I'll... Come on! Do you want to catch Tommy with me now? Let's go! We're going on a trip on a little rocket ship, fly through the skies. Tommy, you murderer. Why in the world did you kill my baby? I will never forgive you. You can't beat the two of us. Be quiet and follow me. Currently, help them to join hands. James, help me. Oh, hell. Tommy? Oh, no. I'll fart. How dare you treat Tommy like that? This is not gonna happen. Ah, I can't believe it. Ah, you stupid fools. Phew, what do we have done without James? Thanks, James. No problem. Sorry, what do you want me? Shall I? Oh, no, this isn't gonna end well. Well, guys, that's one ending. Next time, my fighting ability got better. Yeah. Well, guys, I think I'm gonna try to do the full genocide. But oh, that's pretty cool. Twice is great. Well, thank you guys for watching. Yeah.